Even in 2026, the Land Cruiser 300 series is the most in-demand vehicle in Australia, and there's a reason for it. This isn't just another vehicle. This is Toyota's flagship four-wheel drive built for Australian conditions. Land Cruisers have been the backbone of Australia for decades. Mine sites, cattle stations, remote towns. When people need something that will get them home no matter what, this is what they choose. And the 300 series continues that legacy. But this one changed a lot. The old V8 is gone, replaced with a 3.3 litre twin-turbo V6 diesel engine. It makes more power, more torque, 700 Newton meters, and uses less fuel. Paired with a 10-speed automatic, it makes this thing effortless to drive, whether you're towing, touring, or daily driving. It's built on an entirely new platform, stronger, lighter, and more capable. You've still got full-time four-wheel drive, low range, crawl control, multi-terrain modes, everything that made the Land Cruiser famous. But now it finally feels modern inside, with wireless Apple CarPlay, massive screens, and premium materials. It feels just as comfortable on the highway as it does off-road. And this is why Australians pay so much for them, because they last. These things do hundreds of thousands of kilometres. They hold their value better than almost anything else on the road. If you want one of the most capable, reliable, and respected vehicles ever built, the 300 series Land Cruiser is still the benchmark. Plus, we've got plenty here at Westside Auto.